I've made bagels for you already, but today I thought I would try a straightforward recipe that doesn't require a pre-ferment or a sourdough starter. You're going to start by adding 4 cups of bread flour to a bowl, and then you're going to add in the rest of your dry ingredients, which includes yeast, sugar, and salt. The full recipe will be down below. Mix it all together and then add in a tablespoon of vegetable oil, and then while mixing with your hand, gradually add in warm water. You're going to use about 1.5 cups to 2 cups. Keep mixing it together until a shaggy dough starts to form. Then what you can do from here is dough to a work surface and continue kneading by hand. Keep kneading your dough until a smooth dough ball forms. Then you're going to rest your dough for about 1 to 2 hours or until it doubles in size. Make sure you cover it so it doesn't dry out. After your dough has doubled in size, you're going to cut it into 8 pieces and try to make sure they're as even as possible. I didn't, so I ended up with one bagel that was really small compared to the others. Then you're going to roll your dough into balls and then poke in a hole with your fingers. And then you're just going to let these rest for another 20 minutes and make sure they're covered. Now, while everything is proofing, you can start boiling your water for the boiling part. And what I like to do is add in a little bit of Bootstrap Molasses just for the coloring and the flavor. And I'm practicing on one bagel, so you're gonna boil it for 2 minutes on one side and then flip over and boil on the other side for another 2 minutes. And here I'm doing it with more bagels, so flip after 2 minutes and boil for another 2 minutes. And then I'm laying them out on a parchment lined baking tray, and I'm doing half everything bagel, and I'm using the Trader Joe's everything bagel seasoning, and then the other half I'm doing rosemary flaky salt. And if you want the recipe to my flaky salt, it will be down below in the description as well. Then you're going to bake these in a 425 degree oven for about 20 to 25 minutes or until golden brown. And then you're going to let them cool on a wire rack and enjoy fresh bagels.